When your Nissan displays the engine malfunction, power reduced, service now warning, your vehicle has automatically entered a protective mode called limp mode. Limp mode reduces your engine power to only 40 to 60% of normal capacity. This safety feature protects your engine from potential damage while allowing you to reach a service facility. Several common issues can trigger this warning. The throttle body may have carbon buildup that restricts airflow, causing the engine management system to detect abnormal operation. The mass airflow sensor measures incoming air and can become contaminated over time. Fuel system problems like clogged injectors or failing fuel pumps also commonly trigger this warning. Ignition system faults, such as worn spark plugs or faulty ignition coils, can also cause this warning. Additionally, exhaust system problems, including catalytic converter failures, may trigger the alert. When this warning appears, your immediate response is critical. Drive at reduced speeds to the nearest service facility and avoid highway driving when possible to prevent further engine stress. The diagnostic process begins with a professional OBD2 scan to identify specific error codes. This computerized diagnostic tool communicates directly with your vehicle's engine control module. Visual inspection is also important. Check the air intake system for loose connections, examine vacuum lines for cracks or disconnections, and inspect electrical connections for corrosion or damage. Many cases can be resolved through cleaning procedures and basic maintenance. 80% of these warnings are fixed through simple cleaning of components like the throttle body or replacing basic maintenance items. Professional diagnosis is essential for proper resolution. A qualified technician will use specialized equipment to pinpoint the exact cause and recommend the most cost-effective repair approach for your specific situation. Preventing the engine malfunction warning is far more cost-effective than dealing with repairs after the fact. Let's explore the most effective preventive measures and understand the statistics behind these issues. The foundation of prevention starts with following manufacturer service intervals religiously. Regular oil changes, scheduled inspections, and component replacements according to Nissan's maintenance schedule prevent most engine-related warnings. Using top-tier gasoline significantly reduces carbon deposits in the engine. These deposits are a leading cause of throttle body problems and sensor contamination that trigger the malfunction warning. Air filter maintenance is crucial, especially in dusty environments. A clean air filter prevents contaminants from reaching the mass airflow sensor and throttle body, two components frequently involved in engine malfunction warnings. Industry data reveals important patterns. Approximately 12% of Nissan vehicles experience this warning within their first 100,000 miles of operation. The encouraging news is that 78% of these cases are resolved through basic maintenance procedures rather than expensive repairs. This highlights the importance of proper preventive care. When repairs are needed, the average cost ranges from $150 to $800, with 60% of cases falling under $400. This makes early intervention financially sensible. Nissan has responded to these common issues with significant improvements. Modern throttle body designs now feature self-cleaning capabilities that reduce carbon accumulation, addressing one of the primary causes of engine malfunction warnings. Enhanced diagnostic capabilities now include advanced OBD2 integration and remote diagnostics through Nissan Connect services. These systems provide clearer error codes and enable preliminary diagnosis before visiting a service center. Nissan has implemented extended warranties for specific components on affected model years and provides technical service bulletins with updated diagnostic procedures. Training programs for dealership technicians ensure faster and more accurate diagnosis. Looking ahead, Nissan continues advancing engine technology. Improved air and fuel filtration systems extend component life, while modular diagnostic designs make troubleshooting easier and more cost-effective. The evidence is clear. Prevention through regular maintenance is approximately 5 times more cost-effective than reactive repairs. By following these preventive measures and taking advantage of Nissan's improvements, owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing engine malfunction warnings.